Who leaked Urta? I don't know, but some people on the debate tonight are absolutely sure. That includes Ashok Pandit to my left, Mayank Shekhar, film critic, Amit Nayak, advocate of Anurag Kashyap, is joining us from Delhi, been fighting this case all over the country. Akashdeep, director of Santa Banta, Vivek Gombar, actor and producer, for the first time on News Hour Tonight live in Mumbai. His film Court was the official entry for the Oscars of 2016. Just 2015, I'm sorry. Neeraj Sridhar will be joining us in some time. Shazia Elmi, member of the Film Certificate Appellate Tribunal on this big controversy tonight, member of the Censor Board. Dr. T. Anil Kumar, member of the Censor Board. T. Nagarbhana from Bangalore. Both of them, I'll be joined by the lawyer for the Censor Board as well. Now, why do you think, Ashok Pandit, let's have you start the debate. You have any doubts on who leaked Urta? If there's one person who has no doubts, it's you. Why have you no doubts, and who do you think, and where is this leaked from?
A producer hands over the film with
Who leaked Urta? I don't know, but some people on the debate tonight are absolutely sure. That includes Ashok Pandit to my left, Mayank Shekhar, film critic, Amit Nayak, advocate of Anurag Kashyap, is joining us from Delhi, been fighting this case all over the country. Akashdeep, director of Santa Banta, Vivek Gombar, actor and producer, for the first time on News Hour Tonight live in Mumbai. His film Court was the official entry for the Oscars of 2016. Just 2015, I'm sorry. Neeraj Sridhar will be joining us in some time. Shazia Elmi, member of the Film Certificate Appellate Tribunal on this big controversy tonight, member of the Censor Board. Dr. T. Anil Kumar, member of the Censor Board. T. Nagarbhana from Bangalore. Both of them, I'll be joined by the lawyer for the Censor Board as well. Now, why do you think, Ashok Pandit, let's have you start the debate. You have any doubts on who leaked Urta? If there's one person who has no doubts, it's you. Why have you no doubts, and who do you think, and where is this leaked from?
a producer hands over the film with a marked copy called censor copy,
right,
to the CBFC,
right,
and then it becomes the total responsibility of the CBFC to see to it that the film doesn't leak out or the film doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
So if it's leaked after so much of torture to the producer and the makers, it is out after the High Court judgment. If the
a day after the High Court judgment.
A day after High Court judgment.
Got it.
And if the judgment would have been otherwise, this film would have not been leaked. I'm quite sure about it. So it's a
You're saying it's an inside job from the censor board?
It's a planned thing which has been done, and because just
no, you're a member of the censor board, and you're saying that.
But I was not in control of this.
Now, what proof do you have of that? Because it's a very big charge.
It's a very common, it's a very normal thing.
What do you mean normal?
You don't need a great intelligence to understand this. I as a producer, I as a director, if I'm submitted the film, it becomes the responsibility of that institution to see to it that that film is protected. It doesn't come out like this.
But they say it can go from anywhere. It need not have gone. From
anywhere from where?
Anywhere. Anyone could have released this. It could have gone in from the people who are the producers of the film.
No, you cannot say that. Go and ask the producers. Why will producer commit a suicide? Why will producer release a film on the net? Its entire money is his, entire life is his, entire career is at stake. And after so much of ill-feel, whatever has happened to the film, no producer on this earth.
You're saying Pahlaj Nilani is getting this done?
No producer.
I'm saying Pahlaj Nilani is getting this done.
No, he's responsible as a chairman of the CBFC.
How can you say that?
He is responsible.
How can you say that?
He is responsible. Head of what? Sir, tomorrow, if there is an accident of a train or there is something like this, we ask for the resignation of the Home Minister. We ask resignation of the person who is in charge of it. It's as simple as that. He might have not directly done it.
Okay.
He might have not directly done it, but as a head of the institution, you cannot blame the producers. You are responsible for whatever the damage has been done to the film.
Now, my question is, I think we are putting two and two together, and the first question is, who would be gaining from this leak? That's the question. Now, you're saying those who have an axe to grind with the makers of the film would be gaining from it. Who would be the biggest loser? The biggest loser would be the filmmakers. Even you'd agree with that, Shazia? The biggest losers would be the filmmakers. The biggest gainers, logically, would be those who have an axe to grind. Ashok Pandit takes that argument. Ashok. Yeah. Shazia.
No, I have a different point of view, a different take. and this I speak only from my little understanding of crime and all the whodunits that I've read. I'm a member of FCAT, so I cannot at all make cast aspersions on another body. One. Two, on the film, unless and until I see it, is a quasi-judicial and a very responsible position. But I think in this matter, I don't want to mix up all the issues, but I think it would be very not so smart of the CBFC or any of the members to leak it, because all the guns would anyway be pointing to Mr. Prahlad Nilani. So logically, and now who has released the watermark on unedited versions? The pirate or the hacker. So a hacker or pirate would want to point fingers to somebody else. Then, so it's least likely that it would be CBFC, or maybe to cast aspersions further on Prahlad Nilani. So I'm not sure whether it's a completely open and shut case. I think it would be very foolish for anybody from CBFC to do something as idiotic, so something that would blame and boomerang on their faces, because Mumbai Cyber Crime Cell.
Yeah, go on. Shazia is the director of Santa Banta. Go into the debate.
But Shazia, you cannot take such a back seat, because the needle of suspicion points to just two categories. One, an employee who probably has an access to it, which could be from the production or the direction department, or the CBFC, because of this entire ruckus, they have an axe to grind. So I am not saying, oh, it is only the CBFC, but other than these two, where does the needle of suspicion go? We have to pin it down to these two only. Let's not just make it too generic today. It has to be one of these two. And like Arnab said, the loss is the creative teams, the producers.
Akash, either of the two, it cannot be the producer, because producer will not commit a suicide.
No way.
How can the producer release the film? How is it possible?
No way.
So the pin or the needle goes to the person who's another body where the DVD is lying.
Anil Kumar, Mr. Nagarbana, do you agree with Ashok Pandit's, what he said? And by the way, is it, Mr. Nagarbana and Dr. T. Anil Kumar, is it or is it not a direct reference, Anil Kumar ji, to the CBFC and the censor board when Anurag Kashyap terms the pirated leak of the film to be a case of vested interest in an effort to quote-unquote demoralize people who are quote-unquote fighting for their rights?
How?
Is it not? No, this is what Anurag Kashyap says.
And he will lose millions.
No, and is it not possible that this leak, wherever it came from, would be directed as vengeance against Anurag Kashyap? I'm not saying who did it, but whoever's done it, if you put two and two together, whoever's done it would want to seek some revenge against Anurag Kashyap. Who, in your view, Anil Kumar ji, would want to seek revenge against Anurag Kashyap? Let's come down to the basics, and Amit will respond to the other side. Yeah, go ahead.
Mr. Goswami, this is a clear case of somebody playing the fool. It looks like a Mr. India character, what we can see now.
Come on, now don't trivialize.
There is a Mogambo and there's a Mr. India. So I will tell you, as per the procedure of the CBFC,
sir, please,
CBFC
don't tell me this, sir. You're trivializing it. You're saying Mr. India came in invisible form to the CBFC office and leaked the film.
It's an invisible hand. So it is for the police to investigate. It is for the police to investigate who has done it. Who has done it should be punished. This is very clear. Whoever has done it, she should be punished for it. This should not happen in this industry. They should not kill this industry.
But
to kill the industry,
CBFC
should not be used as a tool.
No, you answer the question.
What are you answering? You're pretending to be holier than thou. What are you answering?
Is it not the responsible of the CBFC to
Arnab,
protect?
I'd like to come in here, Arnab.
Isn't there
Not the responsibility of the
not possible
CBFC
from the end of
to
the
protect
CBFC
the
to
DVD,
happen.
to protect the film?
Mr.
Can I
Kumar,
explain
as a
it to
member
you?
of the CBFC, do you not agree that there is an angle of vendetta that should be explored by the police or a small employee in the censor board or in the production or the edit studio? It can't go beyond this. Why are you saying, oh, it should be investigated? Obviously, we know all that.
The police is free to investigate everybody and anybody in this case.
One sec, the lawyers
telling us what the police should do.
By allowing the...
Advait, just wait a minute. Advait, just wait a minute. Now, watch. Anil Kumar, you listen. Urta Punjab has been a source of major embarrassment for the censor board. Am I right or wrong, Vivek, on that? Is it a major embarrassment for the censor board?
No, I do not agree. I do not agree, because this was one of the decisions of the CBFC which was challenged, and the court has upheld it in a different way. But that doesn't mean that
I'm asking
we
one
have
question.
any vendetta on the movie. We do not have any
Anilji, let me complete. My question is,
Yeah.
Urta Punjab has been a source of major embarrassment. We sitting in this newsroom last 1 week across the entire country is talking about this. Censor board is embarrassed about it. Don't deny the fact tonight.
They have been hammered.
Right? They have been hammered and rightly so. I think. Rightly
Left,
so.
right and center.
Because the producers have managed because the producers
What
guidelines are you talking about? What guidelines are you talking about? What guidelines? Where did
followed the law in letter and spirit?
Which law? Which guideline is saying that you cannot use the word Punjab? Which guideline says that you cannot use the word Amritsar? Which guideline says that you cannot use the word Ludhiana?
Shouting.
Which one? You are shouting. You are shouting.
Let us go.
You are shouting. Listen to me.
There is a law.
Which law? Which law? Which guideline?
Supposing take
which law? Which guideline is saying that you cannot use the word Punjab?
You people would have
Which
criticized
guideline
in saying that
you cannot use the word Ludhiana?
We are doing
Which
this.
guideline
We are
is
doing
saying
this.
that you cannot
We have
use
to
the
see
word
it in the
Amritsar?
context.
We are
What is
seeing
it talking?
in the
We are
context
wasting
of the
time
film.
debating the censor cuts which we've done earlier.
But that's not the issue tonight. That's not the issue tonight. No, 1 minute. Advait, just wait. You have other lawyer on the other side tonight. But Amit, I want to bring this to everyone's attention. Just speak up for a while. Just speak up. Just speak up. No. You control yourself.
I want to say something.
Advait,
I want to bring it.
Advait, let's decide who's debating this. Let's debate it in a way that everyone can listen to the debate. My one question tonight, Amit, is 1 second, please. 1 second, please.
Yes,
1 second, Amit, I seek your indulgence for 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Let me moderate this. The debate tonight is not about a scene of someone urinating in a film and the morality of that or not. Issues such as that and whether the name Punjab should be there in the opening sequence of a film are an issue which have been adjudicated by a court, and I think it's rubbish to try and debate that on the news hour tonight. 1 minute.
Supreme
One
Court,
minute.
High Court, everywhere.
Just one minute. Forget all that. The issue tonight is about the leak. One sec. Just take a deep breath. Calm down. The issue today is about the leak. And the issue, one sec, Amit, just wait a minute. The issue is about whether one can suspect vendetta in the form of a leak. That's all.
It is.
Mischief, right? I want Vivek to come in. I know the two lawyers are ready to have a go at each other. I want Vivek to come in the middle of that debate. And I am saying tonight, I'm not blaming anyone, but I'm also saying it's not outside the realms of possibility that the movie excerpt has been leaked from someone within the CBFC. Because the version of Urta Punjab which has been leaked is an uncensored version and features scenes which were objected to by the censor board. There was a 1 month long fight between the makers of the film and the certifying body. And therefore, the point that emerges is that there is a plausible reason, logically, to suspect a possible CBFC involvement in the leak, since the raw, uncut version has been seen last by the censor board. And this entire controversy proves one thing, that the censor board had a problem with the raw, uncut version. And the version which has gone out, the screenshots which are out, carry a for censor tag as well as timestamps. It may not be leaked from one place alone. It can be leaked from multiple places. I don't know why people leak films. 1 minute. Do you know? I don't know. It's a sort of paranoid, regressive behavior that people take away the creative rights of filmmaker and throw it on the internet to sabotage it.
Oh, no, let's get the facts
I'm not
right.
concluding.
I'm not concluding.
I'm not concluding. I haven't yielded.
At 6:30
I have not yielded. I have not yielded.
6:30 p.m.
I have not yielded.
Before
I have not
6:30
yielded.
PM,
I want Vivek to come in.
6:30 p.m. the movie was already out on torrents. Therefore, there is no possibility.
Am I saying you did it?
It is a factual
Am I saying
impossibility.
Pahlav?
No. He's completely wrong there, Arnab.
So therefore, I'm saying.
What? You are not aware of the rules.
Okay. Let the lawyer come.
We should place the facts correctly.
Amit Naik is responding from Delhi. Amit Naik is responding from Delhi. Only 1 second. Amit Naik.
You have been defeated. Your order has been set aside.
Listen to each other. Listen. First listen.
I want to make a point. Arnab, I just need 1 minute.
Yeah, but I want the lawyers to listen to each other, please. Yeah,
Please hear me out.
Advait will listen to Amit. Amit will then listen to Advait.
Let me make a point.
1 second. Go ahead.
Yeah, one. Arnab.
Go on, Amit.
Yes. Arnab.
Yeah, I'm listening
From
to you.
13th of June, they were supposed to comply with the order in 48 hours.
Right.
In spite of that, they made us run around to the High Court even 2 days before to get the censor certificate issued last evening at 7 o'clock. Mr. Setna should fairly concede on his client's conduct. I agree with you that there is a sabotage. It's a matter of investigation. But see the circumstances.
He will respond.
3 high courts in our favor in the last 5
Let
days.
him come to
Run around.
I'll respond.
Innocuous petitions
don't
have been
speak over
filed.
each other. I request.
Frivolous petitions have been filed. I want 1 minute. Mr. Setna, at least have the courage now to admit that your order was set aside faithfully by the Bombay High Court. And 2 other high courts have held in our favor and an amicus curiae. You still want to debate and see the circumstances. There is a leak of the censor copy 1 day after the Bombay High Court
That's
order.
right. 1 day after
2
the High
days
Court
you
order.
have
Yeah, that's a 1 second.
not
Hold
to
on.
issue
Hold
the
on.
censor certificate.
1 day. That's the point.
Till we go and mention.
Timing is the issue. Timing is the issue.
Till you do not, you make us go, 1 minute, Arnab, he made us go to the High Court yesterday. The judge was very clear that don't make a drama.
Mr.
He made us
Nayak
go
is
to the High Court and
absolutely,
mention the
this is
matter
all
at 5
rhetoric.
o'clock. They then
I will
issued the
respond to
certificate.
this. I will
See
respond to
that
this.
conduct.
No, he is saying it clearly tonight. Listen to what Amit is
He
saying.
is
And
what
Mr.
he is
Setna,
saying.
you
His
have been
version, which
defeated
is not the
hands down.
correct version.
But your
Please
conduct
get your facts
and your
right.
attitude is not changing. You want to shout at the top of your voice. You have been defeated. 3 high courts
Nobody
are in
has
your
been
favor.
defeated. The
But
High
you
Court
do
has
not
said the
want to
petition
accept your
partially
client's
succeeds.
conduct.
Please kindly read the order.
Your
It
client's
says the
conduct is
petition.
circumspect.
And let me
Today
clear
we
it
have
for
to go
the
to the
viewers
Bombay High
tonight.
Court to get
The
a Jumbo
certificate
order.
was ready at
Please
3 p.m.
understand.
Your
It is a matter of
representative walks in the
investigation, I
CBFC office.
But
We
see the
only
client's
ask them
conduct.
that kindly give us a DVD
How do
because
PIs
we
get
have to
fined? How do
basically
innocuous
certify
PIs
the
get
film
fined?
and
2 days after
mention
the
the
Bombay
name
I
of
don't
the
think
film.
I
refuse.
you know something. I'm not interested. I'm not interested in
No,
your legal
no, no,
battles.
no, no.
Advait, you will stop. I'm only interested
This is
in
what
legal.
Amit says.
I'm interested in legal.
No, we did not go to the court and the court
Do you
said,
feel? Do you feel?
take
Do
the
you feel?
DVD.
Do you feel
And
anyone?
before all
1
this
second,
happened-
Amit. 1 minute.
Before all this
I
happened, the
agree
film
with
was
Arnab.
on torrents
And I agree
already.
with Times now.
So where is the
That all that
CBFC
you want to
involvement?
do-
No, no.
Where is the
Not
CBFC involvement?
accept your defeat.
Absolutely.
When was it leaked? 1 second. Can I get
The
someone?
certificate was given at 7 p.m.
That with any fact?
Okay, all
You're
right.
just saying it.
Wait a minute.
just saying it.
Wait a minute. On 26th May, rumors started to do the rounds that Urta had been banned by CBFC. The leak had happened before that. Who would know of a leak? Please tell me. I want to ask the members of the censor board, Anil Kumar and Raghavarana, who would know that the film has been leaked even before the news comes out? Obviously the censor board. Who leaked the news? Who leaked the news that Urta could have been banned by the censor board? Can anyone from outside the censor board? No, I don't think it's possible.
Not at all. Not at all.
I don't think it's possible. Mayank Shekhar, is it possible that the news about the possible banning by the CBFC of the film can come out from anyone outside the censor board?
Anurag himself was shocked. He kept on denying.
Even Anurag Kashyap would not have known. Mayank Shekhar, who could have leaked the news?
It could be a speculation.
What speculation? Mayank
could
Shekhar,
be a
what's going on here now? Mayank, in your view, what's going on?
Yeah.
What's going on?
How do you point a
Arnab, I think
finger at
we're
an
talking about,
institution without
we're
a
talking
proof?
about this particular.
Mayank Shekhar, go on. Yeah. Please go on.
I think we're talking specifically about this particular leak, Arnab.
leak.
Now, DVDs of films, unreleased films, quite often are passed on to individuals. It could be for various purposes. Most important purpose, of course, is curation for film festivals and things like that. And the name is always there as a watermark. Now, imagine if one of those DVDs land up on the internet, as it has happened in a censor board's case. It would be the most embarrassing episode for anyone. Now, the censor board's name is already there, but instead of being embarrassed about it or trying to look into what could have happened, the first thing that they already do is say, no, the producers have done it. I mean, they've already taken a defensive stand even without anyone having even accused them of having stolen this. That's one. Second, the question here, Arnab, is who will sabotage this film? The fact is, until 3 days ago, Palaz Nilani and his CBFC was sabotaging this film with asking for 89 cuts or 13 which became 13 when it came to the court. Now, if we're talking about pettiness, because this is the most petty thing that anyone can possibly do is to sabotage
Agreed
to make sure that whatever little money that they can make as a result of the hype that was created because of the censor board, now let's try and kill this film. That is pettiness of the highest order. I can tell you one thing, all right, and this is whatever little people have told me, who've been following films for 100 years now. They've never heard of a censor board certificate that bears the name of a high court judge. instead of the censor board itself. It's never happened before, and that's pettiness because the judge did not actually watch the film. The judge had read the script of the film and decided on very constitutional grounds, that there is nothing wrong with it and that can go. So you have, instead of you've given name of the judge when he has not seen the film, and there's something that has never happened before, and that is the most petty thing that I've heard.
No, that's a petty thing. That's very petty.
So whether or not
watch it. Let him argue. So what he's saying tonight, 1 second. What I understand.
It's an RO signed the certificate. Where all the certificates are signed by the chairman. All the certificates are signed by the chairman. All the certificates are signed by the chairman.
Because
did you see the certificate? Why was certificate not signed by the chairman?
was delegated
No.
to the RO.
Why?
He has
The chairman signs all the certificates. What is he talking? He's not aware of anything.
Okay, one at a time.
There is a provision in law.
Let's take it further. Can we sit and analyze as sensible people? The producer will not sabotage. The spat had got ugly, so the needle of suspicion is there, or it could be a small timer in either office that leaks it. It can't go beyond there. Why are statements being made about an invisible man, producer leaking it?
Just one more thing.
Why?
When CBFC doesn't even have a copy of the DVD.
We are talking.
And when
Ashok, just wait a while. Can I say something? Can you both be quiet for a while? My question is a very important word.
So much vandalizing. Why should CBFC do this?
1 sec, please. Very important word has been used there by Mayank Shekhar into the debate, and I'd like to welcome Neeraj Shekhar, singer, music director, lyricist, into the debate, and Vivek Gombar has been sitting there quietly wondering what time he's going to get a chance to come into this debate tonight. You've been censored, Vivek. You've been censored. Like You've been censored. Now tell me, is it beyond the realm of possibility that an interested party within the same body which opposed the film would leak parts of the film? Is it beyond the realm of possibility?
Of course, it's not beyond the realm of possibility, but look, if we want to be responsible, we have to let the concerned bodies do their investigation and find that out. I think the film fraternity, especially with this specific case in film in the last month, has come out and made statements as a solidarity and shown a lot of solidarity, and they have tried very hard to follow all the rules and be as good as possible, especially these producers, to make sure that they get their release tomorrow, which has now finally happened.
Sure.
So I can't even imagine and fathom the kind of pain they're going through with this leak.
What is the impact of this leak on them?
It is massive. You see, as filmmakers, one is fighting to get the right date. These dates are being fought upon for over a year to plan a release, to spend a lot of money. I mean, if you go to PVR or anywhere else right now in Bombay, you'll see their trailers are playing and things like that. So these are things that they have invested in. There are people who are designers who have done
and
this.
In this case, Anurag Kashyap is a co-producer. He carries the financial weight of the film on himself.
Phantom Films, Mr. Kashyap, everybody involved, Balaji. I mean, but they have gone through all the legal bodies. I mean, there was a press conference. They've done more than one. They've come out and shown all the papers. And when all of this happens, as Mayank was saying, there are many ways it can get out, but the timing is very suspicious. The way this process has been dealt has been very suspicious. And this is all happening at a time where we are already quite frustrated as makers in the last 2 years. So tensions are heightened as well, but we have to wait for the authorities to tell us who's...
Yeah, you see, Mr. Nagabarana and Advait Setna, please remember this. It is not unusual. I see your hand, sir. I see your hand go up. Listen to my question. It is not unusual for people within the censor board to leak copies of unreleased films. First, you accept that this has happened in the past. Has it or has it not happened in the past? You accept, Mr. Nagabarana, that films have been leaked from within the censor board. You admit that first.
No, always it is so cordial, it will not be leaked. It must not be leaked. It is how it happens.
What you miss must not be.
Friendly thing.
What kind of answer is that? I'll tell you a film. I'll tell you a film. One second.
Wait.
Just a minute. There was a Malayalam film. There was a Malayalam film called Premam. There was a Malayalam film called Premam. A Malayalam film called Premam. It was leaked last year when there was an investigation. 3 people were called and found to be behind the leak.
Who were they?
Who are they? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Why are you jumping? Let me tell you. 3 people were arrested, and they were all temporary employees of the censor board's regional cell. So there were people from the CBFC offices. Happy? No, are you happy with that? Yes, Neeraj also wants to say something. Neeraj.
No, I am not happy. I am a filmmaker. How can I be happy?
ये वो इंसान है, those people जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसी में छेद कर रहे हैं.
As far as this Udta Punjab is concerned,
you know, जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसी में छेद कर रहे हैं. Film industry में, if they keep leaking films like these, he's asking who these people were. But this is absurd. People are doing this.
No, they have to be punished. They have to be probed. They have to be investigated. They have to be punished.
Let the police do his job.
Agreed. The police.
We are not sitting in judgment here. We are not investigating authorities.
You see, I don't find any reason for a filmmaker. There are two bodies who could have leaked it. One is the filmmaker. The other one is the censor board. Now, filmmaker has no interest whatsoever to leak out a movie which has worked so very hard on and put so much of money and time.
Impossible and improbable. Because I am trying to explain to you that the DVD copy was given at 6:30.
Because you didn't want this film to release.
No, watch it.
Because you didn't want this film to release.
That's why I am telling.
Because you didn't want this film to release the way it is.
More than cooperative.
You had a beating everywhere. You were hammered everywhere.
A Bollywood film needs to get an overseas censor. You need to give us the Indian certificate 5-6 days in advance. The film has to release, get censored at places all over the world. It can't happen if you give things on a website.
We cannot treat this as an exception.
Why does it have to reach this position of law?
Every single film we'll have to do without the DVD.
No, sir.
We will not have record of any film.
You should never have cuts for films. You should not have cuts for films.
In fact,
that's why we will never deposit our film with you. We will never deposit our film with the censor board if there are no cuts. All you will write is censored with
the Rule 28. There is a lab certificate which is required to be deposited.
Arnab, we go back to the larger point.
Can I come to the larger point? Can I tell you what the larger point in my view is? No. The larger point. Akashdeep and Advait Setna, patience and pullback, because you talk about a larger point. Let me steer it to what I think the larger point is. You are not Sherlock Holmes and neither are you Watson. That you'll sit here on this program tonight and one second, right? Neither am I the writer of some detective novel. It's not upon us to say it was leaked by this person or that person. We can't accurately say. But if there is one word which emerges from all this debate tonight, Shazia, and I'm coming to you next, the one word which emerges tonight is mistrust. And the fact of the matter is that whoever may have done this, I'm not talking about that. But what this debate tonight between one censor board member to my left, two censor board members outside, and the lawyer for the censor board and members of the film industry, it basically shows that there is a total and complete breakdown of trust between this censor board and the film community, creative filmmakers, film watchers, film critics, lovers of cinema. There is a complete and absolute breakdown in terms of faith. Am I right, Neeraj? There is no faith anymore between this censor board and the people who make films. And that's an absurd situation. It needs urgent intervention. The minister must intervene and sack Prahlad Nilani. Shazia, I think that's what we should talk about tonight, shouldn't we? Shouldn't we talk about that tonight? Mayank, do you agree? About the lack of faith.
There's another point.
Yeah.
There's another point.
Yes.
No, Arnab, there's another point. Because there are two members of the censor board who both have a differing point of view from each other, means there is no brief given to them whatsoever to do a thing a particular way. It's subjective bias that we see very often. But it could be neither. Houseful was released just days before it could be anybody in the distribution chain. It could be somebody not in CBFC or from the production side.
No. But that's not the issue.
These things happen. Do you want to believe?
Okay, he's coming in the middle.
I'm
How
just
does
saying,
the distribution chain get a censor print?
All eyes
Ma'am, you're not aware of the functioning of Bollywood.
To tell us as to who is it going to be.
Ma'am, you answered the question in your own words. If you tell me why was Houseful 3 not leaked, it's because it did not have an ugly
I cannot do that, sir. Sir,
there is an answer within your statement.
I cannot do that, and you must respect that.
Distributors do not get censor copies from producers.
But we have to be dispassionate when we view anything. This is a serious matter. It can be the death knell of the film industry and entertainment and what have you. So there are very large repercussions here. Also, a lot of people are asked to grind with the filmmaker, but a lot of people also have axe to grind with CBFC as well.
What axe
as
to
popular reasons go, and then there's just
Ashok and
Shazia,
and have fun with it.
Shazia, listen. Shazia, listen.
Mumbai crime. Yes.
Shazia, there is no there is nobody in the industry who has an axe to grind with CBFC. CBFC is a respected body in the industry. We all respect that body. We always come with the films to the CBFC. We respected all the decisions. But listen. There is nobody. There is nobody who has. I am a part of CBFC. Even then, I'm a part of CBFC. Even then, I felt hurt the way a filmmaker like Anurag Kashyap and other filmmakers have been humiliated. Nowhere he's talking about guidelines. Where in the guideline is written that you cannot use the word Ludhiana? Where in the guideline is written that you can't use the word Amritsar? You can't use the word Punjab? Where is the guidelines? What guidelines are we talking about? So in the garb of guidelines, you cannot humiliate a filmmaker. You cannot give cuts just because you don't believe it.
Okay. May Ashok.
On the Mumbai crime cell. We are very curious to know who's done this.
I think you're not coming to the issue which I want us to bring about, and I just want us to all take a half a minute's break and listen to me.
Downloading this film.
Shazia, it's not about piracy. I think we are being very unfair. You are avoiding, all of us are avoiding the subject. Certainly, Shazia, you are. The question
on the part of the people who could be downloading it and spoiling the chances of the film is only about piracy.
Shazia,
from the point of view,
Shazia, 1 minute. Shazia, you are avoiding the subject tonight, and I'll tell you why. Because when we do stories, then we say that if there is a politician responsible for a scam, then that politician is a scamster. Listen to me. When we say, Shazia, listen to me. When we say a politician is responsible for a scam, we say the politician is a scamster. When that politician cheats the people, we say the politician is a cheat. When that politician circumvents the law to carry out an act of illegality or a crime, we say that politician is a crook. We in journalism use these words when we know that the facts indicate that the politician could be a scamster, a cheat or a crook. You cannot say in a film, and today you cannot say in the film, a man called Prahlad Nilani cannot say, remove all the references to Parliament, let there be no criticism of Parliament, remove the references to MPs, MLAs, show them respect, prostrate before them, do an Ashtanga Pranam before the politicians of this country. Don't you dare speak a word against the politicians, because they add disclaimers saying the politicians who have let the people of Punjab down again and again should now not be attacked or questioned. And in fact, Advait, don't stop me now. Advait, don't stop me now. Those 40 cuts or 13 cuts, including a song and scenes of drug abuse, which you attempted to do, was a form of censorship rejected by the people of this country. Now I accept the fact. And I think also, Mayank, it is very, very, very insulting today that this same man, Prahlad Nilani, has the absolute temerity to put the name of a High Court judge as the censor of the film. He has insulted the people of India, Mayank. He has insulted the entire cinema fraternity. He has insulted our democracy, and now he's insulted the judiciary of this country. We therefore are saying tonight it's a breakdown of trust.
So the censor has not yet given a certificate.
He wants to say that the certificate has been given by High Court.
It's
not we. We still stand by this. That means High Court judgment is not
can I ask you that tonight, Vivek, you tell me. You've been part of the film industry. You made films that have been sent to the Oscars. You tell me tonight, Vivek, would this debate have been happening if there had been a different censor board and a different film? It wouldn't have happened. You would have said, it's unfortunate there's a leak, we must find out. Today there's a national outcry on where the leak came from. And that national outcry is because nobody trusts this censor board anymore. They may well not be responsible. There's a breakdown of trust between the people, the filmmakers and the censor board. I don't think we can discount that. Vivek.
No, look, I think over the last year and a half, a lot of grievances have been put forward. And I think the film fraternity in many ways has come forward to try and have this discussion, like you were suggesting, that we should talk to each other. I believe that happened, and somebody from the ministry came down, the Minister of I&B came down as well, Mr. Rathore, and I think they had conversations. Again, I'm just saying
Rathore's not the censor. The censor is a man called Prahlad Nilani.
I'm just saying that there is a breakdown in trust. There's a breakdown in communication.
True.
And I think what has happened in the last month with this film, and we are talking about very established filmmakers. I've only made one film. Okay, so people like me, if we'll get into this kind of trouble, nobody's going to care.
In that case, my question is, and I want to put this to Mayank and to Anil Kumar, should people like Anil Kumar today, Mayank, make it an ego issue? Pahlaj or nothing. Oh, how dare you question the great, redoubtable, formidable, quote-unquote, politically connected Pahlaj Nihlani. He is God of the censor board. Questioning Pahlaj Nihlani is questioning authority. However ridiculous this implementation of authority may be in this case, Mayank, talk about the breakdown of trust which has happened in this case. Mayank.
Right. Arnab, you've been a journalist for far too long, and you tell me if you know of any other instance of a head of an institution, of course, appointed by, an appointment of, done by the government, who openly claims to be a political chamcha.
Yeah.
And, he's very proud of being a political chamcha. To a
he
point
said I'm a political chamcha?
It sounds pretty good.
No, has he used the words I'm a political chamcha?
He calls himself, yes. Yes, that's his word. He said, I am Modi's chamcha. This is his word in interview after interview. It sounds pretty vulgar if you hear about it. And why would you not mistrust somebody who heads a government institution at some level? But what I find more baffling, Arnab, and I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself, if you find the name of the censor board in a copy that's been released on torrent, you would be highly embarrassed. And what you would say is, listen, I don't know how this could have happened, but I'm going to make sure that somebody or the other finds out, and there's going to be investigation. On the other hand, not just him, in fact, when Shazia was here, is saying the distributors could have done it, the producers could have done it,
Let's
the
get Shazia.
public is to be blamed because they download.
That's what Shazia said, yeah.
They're putting the blame on somebody else instead of actually being really embarrassed by an episode of this nature. I think, listen, how could this ever happen?
No, let Shazia speak. Let Shazia speak.
Because many films...
No, let Shazia speak, yeah.
Yes. No, Mayank, you have a good point, but many films have been leaked earlier. Like Houseful, Revenant, The Hateful Eight, they have been leaked earlier. So it's because it's so obvious a case of somebody from CBFC tampering with it. I'm just using the fact that maybe it could also be used. It could just be pirates. It could just be hackers. I'm not getting into the controversy. I'm not mixing the two issues. What censor board has done, I think the Bombay High Court's judgment is very, very clear, and it says a lot for itself. I will not go any further than that. But this thing particularly,
I'll come.
There's so many of us were curious for the film to be released. Now I think there are many more people curious to know who's behind it. Because if there's an inside job, it would be very idiotic. Don't you think so? Because they'll be found out sooner or later. Is all I'm saying.
You're also the part of the ruling government.
Right. I'm saying
we are an industry that creates at least $9 billion worth of revenue, 0.5% of GDP,
but I don't wear those
30 lakh jobs, 45% entertainment tax. And do we get anything? From 100 years we were fighting for entertainment tax and censorship, and off late we've added copyright and piracy. And we need a full-time minister to attend to us. What if we shut down for 2 months? You know your national GDP, your ranking in the world will fall down. I may be exaggerating, but please think. We generate 60,000 crores worth of revenue, 45% entertainment tax for a man to watch my film, and 5% tax for him to buy a bottle of alcohol.
And then you put Pahlaj Nihlani on top of it, yeah.
And then we have to go through courts for films. And then here the censor board people are saying there is an invisible man. Are you on my side, or like the common man sees a cop?
Who said invisible? That was Anil Kumar.
Yeah, and
Kumar.
Like a common man gets scared when he sees a cop. Are we supposed to get scared when we meet the censor?
Let Anil
extended arm.
Anil Kumar, please. Anil Kumar, you said invisible.
Where do we go? Yeah, invisible. Why? Because this is a matter under investigation. Now the police has to find out who has leaked it, and whoever has leaked it has to be punished. Is it not too early for us to judge whether it has come from this side or that side?
Sir, you are part of my cinema. Why are you standing against me?
But let us wait till the investigation is over. Till then, why blame this side or that side?
You are part of my cinema.
Neeraj.
You're an integral part of
Neeraj, go on,
Bollywood.
Neeraj.
Say we are looking into it. We're looking into the matter. Police, cops are checking it out. The CBI inquiry, maybe something, but nothing happens. They just want it to die down. That's it.
It's the
Nothing. कुछ नहीं होने वाला. They just want it to.
Nothing dies down in this country.
Give it a little
The law
time
of
and
the
die
land
down
will
and
take its
over and done with.
I want Amit Naik.
ये आपकी साइड में है ही नहीं. They are not on our side at all.
Today in the evening,
There is no trust. There is
They've
no
lost trust. There is no trust.
Today in the evening, Pelab Jalani said to the media that the person who is responsible for this entire leakage has been already identified. How can he say that when the police rejected it? On the opening social media, that the man has been identified.
A very unfortunate thing has happened. The truth will come out.
Amit is saying something. Amit.
Arnab, please, what you're pointing out is sabotage. What you're pointing out is sabotage. Let Mr. Setna and the members of the CBFC explain that wasn't there an attempt to sabotage? Have they gracefully accepted the Bombay High Court judgment or are they in denial? That is the reality. Because what seems to be happening is that post 13, there are events that have transpired.
No,
okay.
What events?
It is
What
not
events?
just unusual.
What events?
Yes,
No,
I do
he is
agree
making a charge.
that it is a matter of investigation.
What events? One second. What
But-
events?
but-
Just a minute.
But
The
why
gentleman
is it a matter of
the
investigation?
lawyer is making an allegation on the program. While he makes the allegation, I have a right to ask him tonight to elaborate on his allegation, and I am requesting the lawyers from both sides tonight, both Anurag Kashyap's lawyer and the censor board lawyer, to have the patience to listen to each other. You don't talk like this in courtrooms. You will not. This is not a courtroom, but you will not do this here. The lawyers on both sides, one side making an allegation, on the other side defending the allegation, will please listen to each other. I will time you. You have 45 seconds. What is your precise allegation? Now my question to Amit is, Amit, how are you linking the High Court verdict to the leakage of the film? Please elaborate. If you are doing guesswork, say I'm doing guesswork. If you have facts, say I have facts. If you're working on circumstantial evidence, say I have circumstantial evidence,
Arnab,
but I don't have concrete evidence.
Arnab,
please remember with responsibility the graveness of the charge that you put on this public forum tonight. Amit.
Arnab.
Yes, Amit. Go ahead. Advait, you listen to him. Yeah.
Arnab.
Yeah. Go on. I'm with you.
Arnab, first.
Yeah.
Yes, it is a matter of investigation.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying that it is CBFC. But please see CBFC's conduct from 13th till yesterday. They delayed. They did not even grant us in 48 hours. They made us beg and plead in court. There was even on the CBFC certificate.
So you're saying
there was
that
no
you're saying,
requirement by the
Amit,
High
that
Court
till the
to
very
put
end.
their names.
No, you're saying
Please understand
one
the
second, just a minute. So you're saying that till the
Yes.
very end, 1 second, despite the High Court verdict, calm down. Despite the High Court verdict, till the very end, this gentleman sitting here to my right, Advait Sena, his party, the censor board, was trying to deliberately delay the release of the film despite the court verdict. Is that your allegation, Amit? Because that's a grave allegation indeed. Is that your allegation?
That is absolutely my allegation, and let him make good. Yes, that's my allegation, because they do not want to follow the High Court order. They find one way or the other, and you will see more coming. That is their conduct.
Your allegation is of sabotage.
They did the same thing last week when they did not want to release the order.
I want to
And
respond.
this is a sabotage.
Your allegation is of
I
sabotage.
want to respond to this.
His allegation is that in a bare-knuckled manner you have tried to oppose.
Yes.
Bare-knuckled manner you have tried to oppose the release of the film. You have insulted the courts by putting the name of the judge out there as the censor of it. You are being petulant, petty. You are being petulant, petty, and in this case disrespectful of the courts, despite
And
what they
has
have.
May I respond to this?
You have a right to
May I respond to
Let him
this?
You have a right to
Word
respond
to
to
word,
it.
I will respond to this. If he has finished, I'll respond to this.
Yes,
Please
he has
give me
finished. I'll
some
give
time
45
now to
seconds.
respond to this.
Viewers, this is
There
now
are-
getting very
there are
serious between the
basically-
lawyers. Let's listen to both sides.
These are absolutely frivolous and false allegations which are made, and I'm surprised that my friend Mr. Naik is bold enough to make false allegations. One, as far as the delay is concerned, let me point out with facts. The order was delivered. The order said within 48 hours we have to give the certificate. We were ready with the certificate at around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We requested them by a letter which was faxed to their office, that as per the procedure under Rule 28 of the rules. Now let me speak. This is not fair. Now let me speak. You have charged against.
It's a serious charge being made on a public forum. Both the allegation and the defense have right to make that point of view.
I have not interrupted you.
28-minute film.
I have not interrupted you. Please let me respond. Then
be civil to each other,
yes.
Please be civil to each other.
Yes, please.
Please.
Please do not interrupt and please do not break the link. Then after that, we requested you by a letter, and then you took us to the court saying that we are not issuing the certificate. We told the court candidly that our certificate is ready. This is the certificate. Since 2 o'clock it is ready. Kindly deposit the DVD, because we are unable to write the length of the film, because the High Court has suggested one cut. Now that one cut also reduces the length of the film.
So
tomorrow, if I
make
an incorrect statement,
I have a question for you. I have a question on both sides. Viewers, we are getting a lot of responses to this debate, and it is trending nationally right now on who leaked Urta. My question is, we are all both aware, the lawyers on both sides are aware, 2-hour 28-minute film was to be released on the 17th of June. Am I correct up to this point, sir? Am I correct up to this point? Absolutely. It was leaked online on Wednesday. Am I correct up to that point? Suppose me if I'm not. When it was leaked, the leaked copy had a watermark saying for censor. Am I correct up to this point or not? Mr. Lawyer, am I correct up to this point, Mr. Advait Setna? Am I correct or not?
It had for censor, which was basically...
What do you mean by for censor?
No, for censor was their version, which they had shown pursuant to the orders of the Punjab and Haryana High Court.
They've leaked the film. Why would Anurag Kashyap leak the film?
I am not saying that. I am saying that it is their version. It is a version which they show.
Mayank Shekhar is shaking his head tonight on this. Mayank Shekhar...
Yes, you are asked to show. Exactly. I am also saying that you are asked to show. So for
Advait, Mayank, listen to Mayank now. Listen to Mayank now. Yes. Mayank, why are you shaking your head, Mayank? Mayank, please, Mayank.
I'm sorry, Arnav, I've been saying this again and again. Let's say a DVD goes out to Times Now because you need to watch a particular film for journalistic purposes, and that particular DVD is the one that shows up on the internet. Would you not be hugely embarrassed as the editor-in-chief? Like, how did this happen? Would you instead say, no, the producer's done it. No, what are you accusing them of? They are not accusing them of anything. But I am just amazed by the fact that these guys, instead of being embarrassed by it and say, listen, we need to look into it, they're saying everybody else could have done it. How do they know somebody else could have done it? How do they know for sure that they have not done it? And there's that brazenness, like we have not done it, and instead of being embarrassed by it, it's kind of baffling actually.
And tell me one thing, Mr. Lawyer, is it true that this leaked version had the only scene that the Bombay High Court demanded to be cut from the movie? I'm asking you, Advait.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is it true that the leaked version had the scene which the Bombay High Court had demanded to be cut from the movie?
The leaked version, yes.
Is it true that it had the watermark stating for censor on the top left of the film?
Yes, for censor.
And is the for censor version sent to the Central Board of Film Certification or not?
The DVD that was sent...
answer my question. I'm
answering the question.
Answer my question.
I'm answering your question. The DVD was sent after the orders of the Bombay High Court were pronounced, and with...
Sent to whom? What DVD? Sent to whom?
1 minute.
What DVD sent to whom? You are revealing something. What DVD sent to whom? No, what do you mean? DVD sent? What do you mean by DVD sent? What DVD? What DVD? What DVD are you talking about?
Pandora's box. No. 1 second.
One second.
You don't know the system.
Masters.
Can I ask you a question? Advait, you are a lawyer. I want to ask you a question. Please answer. Give me 10 seconds of interjection. I'm asking you, as a filmmaker, am I allowed to screen the film and show it to your committee on a theater? 1 minute, let me finish. On a theater of my choice?
Yes.
Am I allowed?
No.
What do you know? It is your choice.
As per the orders of the
It is your choice. You don't even know what you're talking.
No, absolutely.
If it's the theater of my choice, I am responsible.
It is not that you are only Mr. Right and we don't know anything.
You don't know anything.
Sir, we are wrong. You apologize.
It is not our choice. Theater is decided by the...
I want to ask you here. But on the other hand, let me ask you here. If the censor board had to leak it, why would they do it with open evidence? I mean, I also think it's absurd that the censor board would leak a film carrying the for censor watermark. That's like saying that I'm doing it. Tell the whole world I'm doing it. Why would they do that? The CBFC filmmakers knew they were leaking the movie with the proposed cut scenes, and they still went ahead and leaked it. No. Why would they do that? This is like saying, please tell me, Neeraj, Vivek, please tell me, why would the CBFC deliberately release the proposed cut scenes in the leak video with a 4-censor watermark, inviting trouble for themselves? Who in their right minds why would they indulge in this kind of a senseless act and then also lay the evidence? It's like murdering someone and leaving your fingerprints on it. One minute. Vivek and Neeraj. Vivek.
In today's day and age, it is very difficult to protect content. It is very difficult to know exact source of the leak.
So movies can be copied at various stages.
I mean, it can be, but you have to understand, since we all know this is the problem, we take a lot of care. We do try our best to make sure that whatever the copies we have, whatever watermarks we have, however copies are made, where does it go, the producers do take it upon themselves, because there's a lot of investment riding on this. So
in this case, why are we debating it then?
We are debating it because there has been a lot of mistrust over the last 2 years.
Mistrust is the word.
We are debating it because we are, as a consensus, we don't even...
We didn't discuss when Sarath got leaked.
Advait, it is sad that even today the censor board members, it is sad that today the censor board members and you are not part of Bollywood, saying that, oh God, this is bad, this is bad. Everyone, it's like we versus you.
It is absolutely no, sir. It is a collaborative.
Nobody is saying the censor board has released the needle of suspicion point.
Amit.
The investigation must be carried on.
Bollywood needs to be taken seriously.
Integral to each other.
We need to be taken seriously.
Neeraj, how long have you been part of the entertainment industry in Mumbai?
In India, of course, I've been there like 15 years now, and I feel really sort of rejected. No, nothing like that. I mean, we are into music industry. Okay, there's been piracies and all that, and it made you sick, because all that royalty that is supposed to come to you as a composer, as a singer, as a producer. So we've not been seeing it like that, like people see it abroad. But this is like, ये तो वो वाला हिसाब है कि दिन दिहाड़े loot. So I sometimes it makes me wonder, is this CBFC or is it turning into GC, Central Board of Gunda Certification? आपने कह दिया मैं ये करूँगा पूरा, right from the beginning. It's been happening that way. Whatever I say is right. Whatever I do is right. You just keep quiet and keep shut and just watch us doing things. That's it.
Yeah.
And agree to me.
Yeah.
Become my slave, for God's sake.
No.
That is why your body is Raman.
Well, I'll close by saying this. I'll close by saying I'm censoring you. I'm censoring you.
This is part of VIP racism.
No. I'll tell you, viewers, don't rule out the possibility. I'm no fan of. So 1 minute. You've spoken. One second. I don't rule out. I'm no fan of Prahlad Nehlani. I mean, I think, and I've said this before, if the man has any sense of self-respect, he should just leave this job. You have to be really sort of, hanging on for dear life. Whole country wants you out. You're just staying on there. This could well be a case of the censor board stamp being a case of a hacker trying to palm it off to the CBFC. But my bigger point tonight is lack of trust. If nobody trusts you, you should not be in that job. Simple. This debate would not happen if there was trust. Prahlad Nehlani has lost trust. Mr. Nehlani, nobody trusts you anymore. At this point, the better thing for you is to exit before someone shows you the door. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.